Hey, we have another project that we need to work on. Now, this project is a little unique because it's going to be a simple project, but I'm going to attempt to do this with no rehearsal. I haven't really tried this before. I want to show you exactly what my process is when I'm exploring an idea. Let's say I want to send myself a text message. That's right. Using Python, I want to receive a text message on my phone. And there's some interesting use cases, right? You can perhaps create a Python script that checks the stock price of, let's say, Apple, and maybe sends you a text that this is now a good time to buy Apple when the ticker symbol gets to a certain price. Or maybe when we create our portfolio in the web development section of this course, and we'll have a contact form for our clients to contact us. Maybe when that happens, we want to send ourselves a text message as well. So this is a very, very useful thing to know. But how can we do that? Well, luckily, it's all about APIs. And Twilio is the go-to when it comes to anything related to communications. Whether it's text, voice, or audio, Twilio is a great API for you to use. Now, if I click on Twilio here, again, we see that some big companies are using it, but we're also going to have to sign up to the service. Now, I'm going to save you the trouble of me going through the sign up process. Instead, I'm going to fast forward and I'll show you once I'm logged in. All right, once you're logged in, you're going to get to the dashboard over here and you're going to want to create a project. So you see over here that there's a couple of templates that you can actually just create for yourself. You can do phone verification, SMS chatbots, two-factor authentication. There's even a game, Learn and Explore, which allows you to explore the API. In my case, I don't want to use a template. I want to just create a product, and I want to do a programmable SMS, that is texting. So let's continue. And by the way, websites like these always change their UI and the visual. So it might look different for you depending on when you watch the video, but all the functionality should be the same. I'm going to give my project the name Zero to Mastery Texter. And let's click Continue. Nope, I don't have any friends. This is just me, so I won't invite a teammate. And there we go. We have our dashboard. In the next video, I'm going to try and attempt to send myself a text message. Now, I haven't really practiced this, so we'll see how it goes. We'll do a bit of trial and error. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.